Yo, what's good?
It's Adam!
Yes, sir, what's good?
Hey Adam, how are you doing?
Good, check the crib out, yeah?
What is this place?
It's our crib.
It's our crib?
It's our crib. Aye. So we got the
shower thingy.
Yeah, as you guys can imagine, this is a...
Heated floor.
Yeah, and this is gonna be a house tour now. Now
Yes.
we're finally done, or 95% done.
Here we have jackets and shoes and all that jazz.
Yes, sir.
The shoes, jackets, yeah. Then we walk forward. We have 3 different directions. We have 1, 2, and 3. Let's start with the first one. You can guess whose room that is.
Yes, that's true.
Yes.
Aye. So...
Here have me starting to prepare for the video.
Yeah.
You'll see. We have my desk, my lovely desk. We've got a beautiful picture of me. A Star Wars picture. A nice memory shirt. Some closet space. And then my personal favorite part of the whole room. This. I absolutely adore this.
It looks very nice, man.
Thank you, sir. I absolutely love this. I will maybe talk about it in detail more like later at some point in another video. But this just is very important to me and it's full of stuff that is very important to me.
Yes.
And we have a great view, but we can see the view later.
Yeah. Then we have the living room. Yeah, we showed this in the video before. There's like the same thing here. We have a mirror here.
Hello.
Place to sit. We got Lana here.
Lana's been doing a lot of work today.
Yeah,
She's charging.
Yeah, she's charging. Playing FIFA right now. You know the thing. And
We have the
yeah,
balcony.
here's the view actually.
I've got some stuff drying here, gym clothes, and
Yeah.
it's not a bad view if you ask
No,
me.
it's not. Then we have this smaller room here. We have a toilet.
Toilet.
Just a really small toilet.
Toilet.
Yes. We got the kitchen.
Yes, we got this for tonight.
Yeah, we just ate, but we're gonna eat some more food probably. And then here we have, we're really good people.
Recycling. Recycling station, whatever.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will go around. You guys guess where the dishwasher, fridge, and freezer are.
Yeah.
Did you see it? Dishwasher is... Ding, 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 ding. Close it. And the fridge is... Ta-da!
Also, we don't have a lot of food right now because
You'll
see.
Yeah,
You'll
you'll see.
see.
You'll see.
yes,
And then freezer there underneath, of course.
yes.
Good luck.
Very nice. So it fits the environment.
Yes.
And then,
And then we have the last room.
yes,
Let's see.
my room.
We've got some closet space, the windows, the computer,
Check
the
the shoe
bed,
rack. Check the shoe rack.
some closets, and a shoe rack.
Yes, sir.
That's very sexy.
Very nice.
But
Oh,
What is
do we-
this?
What do we have here?
what's this?
Alright, so we got something from Giganti, man.
The fuck is that?
It's the Finnish, basically.
IT store.
Yeah, Finnish IT store. So we got some very nice
What
shit
the
in here.
hell is this?
Ain't no way.
No way.
Ain't no fucking way.
Ain't no fucking way. Ah! I'm so excited.
We got this bad boy. Yeah, I went on a madness.
Yeah.
My friend, shout out to Jasmine, very nice of you for letting me know that these are on sale. They were like, not a lot on sale. They went out in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
But I got one while driving.
Oh,
I
okay.
stopped somewhere. I told her to go on the website and click on the buy thing. So yeah, should we
open it?
Unboxing? Yeah, sure, fuck it.
Let's go.
So I got the
Disc version.
disc version.
So the more
They're
expensive version, of
but-
course.
And
if
there
you're
was an extra controller here as well, so
My man.
very good.
My G.
Let's open the thing.
This looks more like a router than a router.
Okay, so we got the controller. Let's try it out.
Let's see. How does it feel in your hands, my boy?
What?
Try it out. But it's very
I
responsible.
way prefer this shape.
Yeah, and try the buttons. Like they're really responsible. It goes up really quick. We got the PlayStation cable. That's gonna go in
Nice.
my setup over there. Oh my lord! Can you hold it?
Yeah, you want to
I
pull it out.
wanna,
Yeah,
I wanna pull it
I
out.
understand.
Oh god, this is a bad boy.
Jesus, that thing is massive! That thing's massive!
Holy shit!
That thing's huge!
That's what she said.
We'll set it up and we'll come back to you.
Yeah.
And it's set up.
Yes.
That was quick.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
PlayStations are very easy to.
It's not a PC. There's a PS4 here. There's a PC here. There's a PS5.
Let's turn the monitor on first. Alright.
This gives me PS3 vibes.
I'll go on English.
Yes.
Oh, for fuck's sake, we need to set up the internet.
You want
Oh,
to.
there we go. I got that download.
Yeah.
And
So
then-
should we tell them what we're actually going to do with this video?
Oh, yeah.
Wait. So, the whole point of this video wasn't the PS5. The PS5 just happened to arrive just now as we were going to start filming.
Yeah.
The real reason for this video is we are going on a trip. We're going on a 10-day vacation before school starts so that we can just relax after the move and everything.
Yeah.
So that we can have a fresh start when we come back.
Yes.
But now, Adde, where are we going on vacation?
We're going to France, mate.
Going to France.
Yes.
Let's go.
To Yes's relatives.
And we'll just be at the beach, surfing, tanning, playing football, training, running. Have fun.
Yeah, but this video will be a two-part video because this first part is the house tour and when we go there, and the second part will be when we're there and when we're going home.
Yes. So now we're gonna start packing, or we should start packing.
Yeah, we should start packing.
Because we haven't packed anything yet.
No.
But yeah, we have the taxi tomorrow morning at 4. We're gonna leave at 4:20. No, we have to wake up at 4. The taxi's at 4:20. We need to be at the airport at 4:30, but we're not gonna be there at 4:30. We're gonna be there at 4:40-ish. And then the flight is at 6:45. We're gonna fly to Amsterdam and then to Bordeaux. That's our two France, so Helsinki, Amsterdam, Bordeaux. We have a 6-hour transfer or a 6-hour
Wait time in
Amsterdam, so we're gonna have to find some things to do. But yeah, I'm gonna pack, he's gonna go pack, and we'll see you tonight when everything's done.
Yes.
Okay? Bye, guys. Brother, we're gonna be late for our taxi. Taxi's here in 15. It's 4:05.
Bollocks. Well, better get up then. Oh, never mind.
Hey, yo! Good morning, sir.
Morning.
There's his bags.
Oh, shut up, Caleb. What you want?
No, they just said that it's overcrowded, so
Yeah, sacre. Wait, what did they say?
it's gonna be overcrowded, so please check in your bags at for free. I'm like,
Have I done it?
we'll see that. So no, it's as in like we might have to bring our bags and say, oh, put these in the Roma.
No, you fucking bastards, man. Yeah, I hate doing that.
Same. But we'll go there and we'll talk to them and say, hey, yo, ain't no way, we got important shit in here. We're taking it with us.
Yeah, sacre bleu.
Okay,
And then they'll go like, I say less.
Yeah. If I hear one person at the airport say, I say less, my life is complete. Noni,
Same. Alright,
let's go. Noni, boys and girls. I look like a tourist because I've got my jacket like this. I've got my bag. Adde is ready with his stuff. His bags. Now we can go. We've turned off every electricity.
Okay. But my guy Mo is gonna come pick us up, yeah?
Omar.
Shit.
Omar.
The goat.
Let's go.
He's gonna pick
Let's
us
go.
up.
Adde, can you please tell our lovely viewers why you are pissed?
Well, I'm pretty pissed because we're gonna hang out in Amsterdam, for 6 hours. But the thing is, we can't leave the airport for some security corona shit. Fucking hell, lads. What are you gonna do in Amsterdam for 6 fucking hours without smoking any weed? I guess we'll have to find out, Chester. We have to probably stay in a lounge. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll just go find some place to eat probably.
I hope they have Burger King open. And we have to recreate the meme then.
Adde, where are we?
Yeah, we're on the taxi on our way to the airport right now.
Very good.
Yeah, very nice.
So Adde, where are we at?
at the airport.
Yes.
Exactly, Omar just let us drove us here. Man was going 120 on a 60 lane, just for.
And then just cruising at 130 on an 80.
No, my man was mad. But
He was moving mad, but he got us here at
he said, okay.
4:50.
Yeah.
11 minutes for a 70-minute ride. Not complaining.
Not complaining, proper lad.
But yeah, now we're gonna look for our gate, look for our stuff, and we'll go.
Yeah.
So, we arrived at the airport, and no boarding passes are available. So what are we doing now?
We're waiting in a queue to get our tickets and to drop off our baggage.
Kyllä. And there's quite a bit of people. We just passed the security checks, and now we're at the gates. We're gonna
Yes.
find our gate at 4A. A4?
I don't know.
But we're gonna look for a gate, and we're gonna wait there. The boarding starts at 6:15, and right now it is. Right? Oh, it's 5:45. So we have half an hour before the boarding starts, and 1 hour before the flight. Where are we going?
To Amsterdam.
Let's go. Are we gonna go sleep?
Most likely, we'll see. I'm not that tired right now.
I'm probably just gonna play Pokemon.
We're gonna see.
We sitting down. How does it feel?
Exciting.
Good, like 2.5 hours flight, and we just saw the best thing I've ever seen on a plane. USBs.
Let's go.
Lightweight, baby. We'll see you guys in Amsterdam.
Yes.
Hey, doll. I've got my fucking Switch here, and I can play Pokemon. This guy just put first stop Amsterdam on his Snap story. Follow him on Snapchat. His Snapchat is here. Don't add him on Snapchat.
Why not?
Do you want to be filled with fan mail?
Yes.
His Snapchat is here. Just woke up. There's no one else in the plane. No, I'm kidding. Just woke up. We're 10-15 minutes away from Amsterdamster.
15 minutes.
And yeah, fucking fantastic. I'm hella tired though now.
Gonna sleep at the airport.
Hey Adde. Where are we at?
Amsterdam.
Let's go.
Never been here.
Should we just stay here?
Nah.
Nah.
I wanna go France. Never been here, but would very much like to visit this place.
We saw a stadium which we think was Johan Cruyff Arena.
Yes, but now we're just gonna chill here for 6 hours and do fuck home.
Oh well. See you guys during the waiting. So basically what's going on is I'm here playing Yu-Gi-Oh! And I've been playing Yu-Gi-Oh! For the past 2 hours. And our lovely Adde boy here is he's editing the beginning of the video. So yeah, how's it going?
It's going pretty well. I'm just in the beginning of this video, but
Okay.
yeah, it's going well.
Good luck, man. How long do we have until the flight leaves? It's 2 hours and 10 minutes. Until the flight leaves. The boarding is in
2 hours.
no 1 hour 45.
That's not bad.
Let's go.
We're going to France. Whoa! We're in France! Damn!
How does it feel?
Different. Here it's 24 degrees apparently. Feels like a bit more. We're gonna go change clothes. We met Jess's grandma, very nice lady. Very nice house. So yeah, this is where the video unfortunately ends. But there's gonna be a second part coming. Which we're gonna start recording now. And we're gonna edit this video through the trip, so hopefully we can get the video out to you guys as soon as possible. Yes, but thank you for watching this first part of the video. While you're at it, go check the second part of the video when it comes out. Like, why would you watch one part and not the second part?
Exactly.
That's hella dumb, man. But yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Cheers for thanks for watching, and subscribe, you bastards. We want 200 subs.